gawa nila sa sarili nila.
Goodbye, class. Goodbye, and thank you, Sir Glenn.
A student named Rosalinda gets her report card and sent her parent to school. She saw that her average was 89 and she was happy with it, but her parents weren't. It wasn't enough for them. When they arrived at home, her mom immediately scolded her daughter because she is not proud of what her daughter's achievements. Rosalinda is just crying and she felt she is worthless. When she was about to enter her school, her classmate bullied her. While Rosalinda was walking, her hair was immediately pulled and hurt by her classmates. Rosalinda immediately left the school while crying, and unexpectedly, she committed suicide.
Uy, pero hindi biro yun yung depression.
Oo, bakit hindi biro?
Hindi siya
Para magtanim yan?
Hindi, kasi syempre marami nakakakabataan. Kaya dapat kapag meron na, marami sa meron, bigyan natin ng support.
Moral support.
Hindi, kasi mahirap.
Huwag niyo supportahan. Gawa-gawa lang niyo. Oo. It's all in the mind. Ano nga ba yung expression ng depression? Ang dami kasi tao talaga suffer ng depression eh. Nagpapasosyal lang. Pag mayaman, depression. Pag mahirap,